Google Workspace is a popular business suite of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of business. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service. And today I'm going to help you get up and run it with all of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. Hey guys, stay here. Welcome along to this channel. I hope all is well in your world now. In this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your entire business can make the most of this all-in-one business. So the first thing that you have to do is dive into workspace.com here. This is the homepage as you can see. So to use Google Workspace, flexibly start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So the first thing that you have to do is click over Start. Then here we have Getting Started, and you write your company name. For example, let's write Caesar Shop. So it's just kind of examples here. Number of employees here, including you. So of course between 10 and 99. And we have also here discover a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini as an add-on to create, communicate, and collaborate in a new way. So here you select your region, then you click over next. Then we have here what are your contact details. Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So you write your first name, for example Mike, and the name, for example then you current your email address and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here the next page, which is choose a method to set up your account. To set up your company's email and Google Workspace account, you'll need to have a dominus example.com. So we have the first one, it's get a new custom domain, buy a new domain and grow your brand online. And we have the second one, configure with your existing domain, use the domain you already own. So I will choose the first one and you click over continue with this method. Then we have the next page, which is look for a domain name for your business. Look for a domain that reflects your company name or brand to strengthen your online presence. So I will write it. So for example here, and then click for I'm not a robot. Then here you would, so once you do that, you will just link your personal information like your town and your address and your phone number, and then you will get started with Workspace. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email and Google Drive for file storage and Google Docs sheets and Slides for document creation and collaboration. So encourage team members to use Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling, leverage shared drives for collaborative projects, and explore Google Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools you use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So let's know why we use Google Workspace first. So Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive suite of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency. With applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet, it allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time, regardless of location. Its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. So if we Come back here to the top, we have create, exchange, and collaborate with the potential of EA. And we have here video showing how, so you can just see this video. Then we have here discover the professional world of tomorrow. Then here we have find the answers to your questions. So here we have what products are included in Google Workspace. So this is the answer. What is Gemini for Workspace and where can I find out more about it? Then we have which Google Workspace plan is best for my business, and is it possible to try Google Workspace before committing, and how do I sign up for Google Workspace? Then what is the difference between G Suite and Google Workspace? And here we have get started and show your innovative spirits. Sign up for the Google Workspace newsletter. And this is how it works with Workspace. You have just to hit start and sign up, then you will work with it. Then we have here a solution that brings together applications popular with more than 3 billion users: Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others, now available with Gemini for Workspace to boost productivity with EA. So we have a great exchange and collaborate with the potential of EA. And also here, this is how it looks and how you can get started with it. Also, we have here solutions. Here we have for individuals presentation, small and medium-sized enterprise like presentation, new company, startup, and we have large companies, presentation, the fronts, and we have also products here of Gmail, Google, Calendar, Drive, Meet, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Cat, and then we have sectors. As you can see, then we have here EA, and we have also traffic here, tariffs, I mean. Then we have here resources also. Like here we have discover, learn, communicate, and we have here administration console, contact the sales department, and if you want to get started, we have here. So this is how it works with Google Workspace. You have just to get started right now and you will earn money with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.